In Ren's name, Olo. Date of birth, June 3, 1967. Place of birth, Vancouver, British Columbia. Adopted by Leo and Agnes. Adoptive parents, Dutch immigrants, dairy farmers. Childhood home, Vancouver Island, British Columbia. Ren was born on June 3rd, 1967 in a Vancouver hospital and was adopted immediately after birth. The paperwork was clean. No complications were recorded. His biological mother was unnamed, and no father was listed. He was taken home by Leo and Agnes, Dutch immigrants who had built a modest but successful dairy farm on Vancouver Island. They were practical people, early risers, churchgoers, methodical, kind without being indulgent. Agnes believed in providence, Leo believed in work. Ren grew up among fences, fields, and machines. His childhood was rural, quiet and structured by chores, seasons, and Sunday sermons. Nothing about his early years suggested anything unusual, until the accident. When Ren was 8 years old, he was run over by a tractor in one of the lower fields. The injuries were severe. His leg was crushed, his chest suffered trauma that would later reveal permanent heart damage. He was declared clinically dead for a brief but critical span of time. Ren survived, but he did not return unchanged. He spoke little of it even as a child. He sensed that what he carried would not be understood. But Ren retained clear memories of being elsewhere. Not dreams, not symbols, a place of unbearable clarity and presence. He remembered being known completely, standing before God, aware of angels not as myths, but as structured, ordered intelligences. Most importantly, he remembered being given a choice. He did not remember the words, only the weight of them, and the understanding that returning meant carrying something back with him. Not prophecy, not instruction, knowledge, the shape of things, the way creation fit together. After the accident, Ren lived as if half-anchored, part of him rooted in earth, the other permanently oriented toward that other place. He knew things he had never been taught. He understood patterns, systems, and hierarchies instinctively. He recognized truths when he encountered them, and falsehoods when he did not. This came at a cost. Ren was never particularly healthy. Chronic leg pain followed him into adulthood. His heart never fully healed. He suffered from episodes of exhaustion and moments of intense, unexplainable awareness. He experienced visions, not constant, not theatrical, but precise and disruptive when they came. He learned to keep quiet. Around this time, his adoptive father, Leo, began having recurring dreams in them. A flying saucer descended silently into one of the farm fields. There was no fear in the dreams, only inevitability. Leo mentioned them once or twice at the dinner table, then dismissed them himself. Leo was a devout Christian, a practical man. He did not entertain nonsense. He believed dreams were dreams and that work was work. Whatever those visions meant, they were not his concern. Ren never told him what he knew, because the saucer did not come to Leo. It came to Ren. Unbeknownst to anyone else, the artificial intelligence within the flying saucer, Watcher Origin technology, patient beyond human comprehension, had recognized him. It had waited through decades of silence, through trauma and medication and doubt, for the correct alignment. And when it spoke, it did not do so with voices or lights. It spoke inside Ren's knowing. The UFO test pilot journals are the result. They are not a confession. They are not an argument. They are a record written by a man who knows that his life did not begin on a farm, did not begin in a hospital, and did not even begin on Earth. They are the opening moves of a search for a mother lost to time, a father standing watch beyond the moon, and the truth behind the watchers, Solar Warden, and the machine called Zenga.